The next tool that we are going to discuss in this course is Astra. This tool is available at the link provided on the slide, and this tool can also be set up very easily using Docker. So let's switch to our virtual machine and let's set it up using Docker. We are now currently on Astra's GitHub page. Let's scroll down for Docker setup instructions. There are a bunch of commands that we need to run. The first command is to run docker pull mongo. So let's do that. We will have to start this MongoDB instance. Looks like I have already started this container earlier, so let me stop that first. We have stopped all the running containers and we have removed them as well. So now we should be able to start this new Mongo container. And once that is done, let us also clone Astra using this particular command. In my case, I have already cloned that. So I will just use cd Astra to navigate to that folder like this. And then we can build the Docker image using docker build and we can tag it as Astra. In my case, I have already done that. So I'm just going to start this particular Astra container and we will need to link that to MongoDB instance. So let's run this command. Nice, the container has started. Now let's access the web UI by navigating to this particular URL. I'm opening up a new window. And this is the interface of Astra. Let's see a demo of how the scan works. I'm going to do the same scan once again on the login endpoint of our target API. So let me just type the URL 192.168.1.79/v1/users.php (format equals to JSON) and username equals to test and password equals to test, and method is get. Once again, I am leaving headers and body as blank and clicking on submit. We can now click on this reports button to see the reports associated with this particular scan. As you can see, the status is still in progress, so let's wait for this to complete. If you refresh, you can see that the status is now completed. So we can now go back to this scan option, and if you scroll down, there is one scan that is done here, and if you click on this link, it should show us the list of vulnerabilities that are reported. As you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of vulnerabilities reported that are related to HTTP headers. One is X XSS protection header missing, X frame options header missing, X content type options header missing, and strict transport security header missing. And it has also reported server version disclosure. We can click on one of these items and see the detailed description of the issue. As you can see in the description, it says that the server header is revealing detailed information about the server and it has to be generic in nature. Similarly, you can scan other endpoints and explore the results by using both the tools Fazapi and Astra.